Logitech G920 Driving Force racing wheel and floor pedals. About this item works on Xbox Series 10, Xbox One and PC. Driving Force is designed for the latest racing game titles for your Xbox Series 10 or Xbox One console. Add Driving Force to your controller selection and you may never want to race with a regular controller again. G920 Driving Force Pro also works on PC with select titles. Realistic force feedback. G920 Driving Force is engineered with dual motor force feedback that is designed to realistically simulate the feel of your car and tires on every turn and type of terrain, so you can sense under or oversteer, drifting and more. With helical gears modeled after the gearing used in car transmissions, you get exceptionally smooth, quiet and precise steering action. Anti-backlash tensioning keeps the wheel and pedals tight, maximizing your control. Rotation. 900 degrees lock-to-lock. Hall effect steering sensor. Quality construction. With solid steel ball bearings in the wheel shaft and stainless steel paddle shifters and pedals, Driving Force is built for precision racing and long-lasting reliability. The wheel is covered in high-quality, hand-stitched leather, giving it the look and feel of a high-performance race car wheel and giving you a more comfortable, durable experience. Durable built-in clamps and bolt points allow Driving Force to be mounted securely to a table or racing rig to minimize shifting or wobbling during aggressive maneuvers. Easy access game controls. The D-pad and console buttons are conveniently located on the wheel for seamless access to racing controls, while the semi-automatic paddle shifters help you execute smooth, accurate gear transitions on hairpin turns and straightaways. Glass-filled nylon mounting clamps. Responsive pedal unit. The G920 comes with a separate floor pedal unit that enables a more realistic body position for driving, so you can comfortably brake, accelerate and change gears like you would in an actual car. The nonlinear brake pedal mimics the performance of pressure-sensitive brake systems for a more responsive, accurate braking feel. G920 Driving Force is the definitive sim racing wheel for the latest Xbox One and PC titles. With realistic dual motor force feedback and helical gearing for quiet, smooth steering. On-wheel controls and paddle shifters are easy to access so you can make crisp, precise gear transitions. The separate pedal unit gives you natural, responsive control, with a nonlinear brake pedal that mimics the feel of high-performance vehicles. Driving Force is built for comfort and durability with hand-stitched leather and stainless steel components. Built-in clamps and bolt points keeps Driving Force mounted securely to a table or racing rig, minimizing shifting or wobbling during aggressive maneuvers. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the downlink present in description. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.